Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you the final result of my file folder. This is how I decorate it. Okay, I just used my dies and I made a title right here. And these are some dies that I have, and I use the same for the back, like resembles the leaves, and also for the flower. It looks like a skeleton flower. And then right here, I put this metal right here to cover the ribbon and these metal corners. Then right here, I use a piece of fabric and I just fold it and glue. And then I cut it up here and I cover it with this trim. See? Then at the back, it's the same. And I just put my name, and as you can see right here on the side, it looks like this. So everything is covered, and when you open, it looks like this. I didn't decorate it too much because this is for a swap. It's for my friend Anna FG. She has a YouTube channel, and I know that she's going to put mats and decorate it with more embellishments. So right here I have the two cards, and this is one of the pieces of the paper, and she can write something, maybe the date and things about the pictures. And then it has room for big pictures. Then right here, I use one of the dies that I have in my stash, and I just put this white cardstock, and then I cut out with gold paper, and I glue it, and then I put some glue with a brush in the empty spaces, and I put this chunky glitter. See? So it looks like snow. And right here there is an embellishment that I have in my stash and some trim. So this is how it looks, and it has a big room for pictures. See? It can be 4 pictures or 2 big ones. And on this side, I used one of my dies to make these tabs. So you can open the pages like this. See? And it has a lot of room for pictures there. Then on this side, I have room up here for pictures. See? It can be like 2 pictures here, because this one is open right here too. Okay, or a big one in the center. Then when you open, you have these 2 more spaces. I'm going to open just the center, and I show you how this one looks. It's an envelope, and inside you can put some memorabilia. And right here I use one of the dies that I have in my stash and a trim. Then when you open this one, you can see the tags right here, and I added the tabs on top on both sides, so she can add big pictures. See? And it's same in all of these. And right here I use one of those skeleton flowers, and this is another die that I bought, and yeah, it's the same decoration in all the pages. And this is one of my new dies as well. It's an border, and it's really pretty. And in the next page, which is the center right here, you open a page right here. See? You can put pictures and pictures here, and it has a lot of room here for more pictures. See? Then you open this one right here, and on this side you have room for more pictures, and this one is open, so you can slide some all the way here. And in the center I glued this one. Is part of the paper pad for writing a journaling. This is another die that I had in my stash, and she can put a picture right here. And this one opens up, and there is a lot of room for pictures right here. See? And I use the same border die. So this one closes like this. And now let's see the last part, okay? In this part right here, in the last one, I used another flower and this trim, and it has a lot of gold and this dark red that matches the color of the paper. And she can put up here pictures, see? And right here, there is a one part up here. This is like a flap page that opens, but we have this one right here first that has room for pictures, and then you open, and right here it has room for more pictures. And this is a tag that came with a paper, and this is another die from my stash. Then this one as well, see? And I left blank so she can stamp right here something, a title, and then she has all these pages like a waterfall mats that she can add pictures in there. See? And when you close this one, you can open again, and you have room right here for more pictures. And right here in the center, there is a waterfall mat. I just added the tabs, and she can decorate with a lot of stickers and other embellishments, see? And lots of pictures. Okay, now the last part is this one right here. And here I use one of the dies that I have in my stash, and I just put this rhinestone. And then right here I have tags that came with a paper, and I just glue back to back, see? And this one I made like a mini folder, so she can write, she can make journaling or put pictures in there. And this is the cover of the paper. So it was colorful and I love it, so I just use it for this mini folio. And right here it opens and it has room for a lot of pictures. Maybe she can put 4 in there. And then the last one is this one right here that is like a big card, and this is part of the paper. I just put a matte in gold, and then it has room for a lot of pictures in here too. And that's it. I know that she likes to embellish a lot, but she needs to put the pictures first, and she's going to finish this photo folio, and I'm sure that she's going to show how it looks with everything. Okay, so I hope everyone like this project and get inspiration on how to make a Christmas one, or maybe any design on your photo folio. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.